Hey everyone, so today we're going to review Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies with biotin, skin and hair nutrients, antioxidants, vitamin C and E. So I got this to try, and let's take a look at the ingredients here. Okay, so you see the first ingredient on here is corn syrup. The next one is sugar. So this review is pretty much done because I do not consume products made with corn syrup, as I do not believe they are healthy. And with the second ingredient being sugar, this is not a supplement that I am interested in trying. So there you have it. That's my opinion. I don't really know what else to say about it. These are what the things look like here. Interesting. Some kind of squished gummy candy. Strawberry flavor. But anyway, so this is not something that I want to try just because of the ingredients. Like I said, the corn syrup, the sugar. So that doesn't interest me. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.